Do you want to attract more birds to your bird feeders? Then don't buy that cheap bird seed. Buy the more expensive kind and buy a variety. Right now we have doves here, but we get sterlings and cardinals and blue jays, juncos. Who'd I miss? Oh, mockingbirds. And of course when I go to film it's all doves.
There's a female cardinal in the tree on the other side, but you probably wouldn't be able to see her.
Yep.
The tree that's closer to you than me.
Oh, I see her, but I don't think I can get the camera that way. Maybe I can't. Oh, you know what? If I move over here, get the focus. There we go. There's a female cardinal.
I knew I heard one out there.
And then we have a male that visits. We have a wide variety. When I try to put the cheap food out, we hardly get anything. Maybe a few doves. Isn't she cute?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, she's blowing. The boy?
Yeah, he just showed up.
Oop.
She was twittering happily and then he showed up.
Oh, there's the boy. Cardinal.
The wind's blowing his feathers.
Yeah, that was blowing the girl feathers too. So isn't he beautiful?
2 mile-per-hour wind out there.
See, I got all kinds of seeds, corn and peanuts. There's the girl again. So we get all kinds of birds, more birds visiting when we put out the better food. This food is for the possum or the stray cats, but once in a while the birds will peck it, and the mockingbirds like to eat it. And the deer also like the food. Oh, fight.
There's the mockingbird to eat the cat food.
The wind's starting to, yeah. Here's the mockingbird. Uh-oh, does it hear us? Eating the cat food. Oh, a fight. Mockingbirds are very mean. They fight themselves and they fight all the other birds, and they're vicious. They even go after hawks and ravens. Okay. There it is in the tree. They also take over other birds' nests. Where did all the birdies go?
They all flew off because it chased them away.
Yep. Bad mockingbird. And these mockingbirds can make all kinds of different sounds and imitate all different kinds of sounds. Mostly other birds' sounds.
So I have heard one make a train noise before.
Yeah, and they can make car alarm noises. Who's a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Not all the birds are gone because of you.
There's like one junco.
What are you going to think of that now? Oh, there's the cardinal. Going to probably get in a fight with the mockingbird. Let's see what happens as the story unfolds. Oh, there it goes. I knew it.
A bunch of blackbirds probably eat crackles. Just
Yeah.
landed on the houses across the street.
So this is the mockingbird. He just shoot away the cardinal. So yeah.
The girl's in the tree waiting for it to go away. All
Let's
the
see.
birds are waiting for the mockingbird to leave.
Let's see if I can get her. There she is. I'm waiting for the mockingbird to leave. So she's looking around. Sometimes if the male comes first, she's more confident. She just said peep.
Here comes the FedEx to scare off the birds.
Uh-oh. Maybe our food's coming early. Okay, well, I gotta go. FedEx is coming. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.